In this video, we will learn about how to create an affiliate customer using affiliate manager module. So in here, if you see, this is an affiliate manager. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the all affiliates, where we will find all the affiliates customer. And even if we go to the pending request, if someone request from our website to be an affiliate customer, then that list will be visible here. Okay, so I'm going to create an affiliate customer directly from here. So first, what we have to do, click on the create, and I'm going to give it an customer 1 or affiliate AF customer 1 as an example. And that's it. I don't have to give anything else. I'm going to save it. After saving it, we have to go to the grand portal access, because of if we don't do this, then this user will not be able to log into the system to see his statistics, that how many products have been visited, how many products have been sold using his affiliate key. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to grant portal access, and then use the email like affiliate at the rate of gmail.com, and I have to give click on portal and apply. So what will happen, it will create an user for this AF customer 1. And another thing we have to do, click on the edit button and you will see an affiliate key generate. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to click on generate. So that will generate an affiliate key that will be shared with the customer, or he will share with the other people who will buy his product. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to save it. After saving it, what we have to do, we have to go to the settings to check is it alright or not. So I'm going to the settings and user, and click on affiliate. After I click on affiliate, I will see that user had been created.